Have you been looking for a permanent solution to your water leakage problems? If yes, your suffering ends here. The ultimate solution, liquid rubber, is the fastest, the easiest and a sustainable solution to all your water leakage problems. It is a high-performance, water-based, non-toxic, VOC-free, waterproofing and corrosion protection solution. A unique product tested and certified by Canadian laboratories including CanBest, CMC Bodycott and Tabor. After successfully performing in Canada, USA, UK, Europe and Australia for a decade, global leader of waterproofing and corrosion control, liquid rubber is now in India. We all have water leakage problems. Liquid rubber is the answer to all the problems. It seals cracks and leakages of all kinds, be it roofs, terra walls, drains or slab joints. You name it, liquid rubber seals it. Easy coat and direct application system on any construction material, be it concrete, metal, wood, tiles, cement, GI or FRP sheet, styrofoam, brick and all common building material. And your problem is resolved. It is also successfully used for rust control. What is fantastic about this product is, it needs no assistance, no training to use. It can be self-applied. That can be applied by you or your painter without any special training. Let us show you how. Firstly, identify the leakage area. Thoroughly clean and make it all dust-free. Gather brush, liquid rubber and cotton cloth strip at one place for quick use. Now let us start coating. What is special about this super awesome product is, it needs no blending, no fire torch, just a direct cold application. That's easy. It is a simple 3-step method. First, coat liquid rubber on the leakage affected area. If there are larger gaps, apply reinforcing fabrics supplied with liquid rubber. Lastly, apply the final coat. It sets within 30 minutes and dry completely in 24 hours. And it is done. Liquid rubber forms a seamless rubberized membrane that protects the treated area for years to come. With 2 coats of liquid rubber, you can prepare any kind of surface for waterproofing and corrosion protection. It is time for you to relax and see how your problem of water leakage disappear. A completely water-based, odorless, eco-friendly and a hassle-free solution. You won't believe it. Liquid rubber is 900% stretchable. Yes, you heard it right. With 95% recovery, it comes back to its former shape, which helps in adhesion and prevents cracks in weather change. Isn't that amazing? This internationally acclaimed product has qualities you seek. It has standing water compatibility. That means you can literally make a pond using the liquid rubber. It has no effect of direct sunlight and can withstand thermal cycling. What's more, this extraordinary product is abrasion resistance, highly impact resistance and high puncture resistance. It self-heals if punctured and does not deteriorate with weather cycle and can be applied both indoors and outdoors. With long shelf life, liquid rubber comes in 3 convenient packaging. Depending upon your requirement, choose your container. Where can you buy it? So, what are you waiting for? Order now and get rid of your water leakage and corrosion problems for once and for all. Liquid rubber, making waterproofing a reality in India.